Hello, Landria here, founder of digitalexplorers.net. I want to talk today about the struggles people have with business. Yeah, there are always struggles, whether it's your business, your career, your job, an online business, doesn't matter. I want to talk about the struggles that you can avoid and how to eliminate the confusion about how to earn, especially online. You wouldn't do this if you went out there and chose a career, but somehow when we go online, just the thought patterns change. I want to talk about that today. Are you struggling to figure out how to take advantage of the online industry? I'm going to help you out today and hopefully resolve some of the conflict in there about how it works and what you should be doing. You ready? Let's go. Welcome to Digital Explorers. Landria Onkka here, and I'm going to talk today about the conflict with people in what to do online to make money. So I see people spending money to learn how to make money this way, and that doesn't work. This way, that doesn't work. This way, it doesn't work. So I have a question for you. If you go to college, would you just pull studies out of a hat and say, which one makes the most money? Oh, plastic surgeon, I'll do that. And the idea of, you hate blood. Why are we choosing online businesses any other way? But we do. It's all about how can I make the most money? So I'm going to study something I don't love, I don't connect to, that's not really something I want to create a company around or actually spend years doing. You should be thinking the way in that this is really important, how I earn versus what I earn, because if you love being a surgeon, you won't mind the crazy hours and the things you have to go through to be the surgeon, right? When you love the career you're going after, you will put the time and effort in to create that career and do what it takes, because what you're going to get from it and what you're going to become is your goal. You dream of it. Now, unfortunately, we end up going into jobs that are not connected at all most of the time to what we study, and that's screwed up too, and that's why so many people are in jobs that they hate. Wait a minute, what did I go to school for? And I fell into this and never got out because I was making money and I got a raise, and yeah, it's insanity how we operate out there. So the question is, if you're going to take advantage of the online industry, which is super powerful, and I've done extremely well on it, and of course there's always challenges every time I launch a new company. digitalexplorers.net is one of my newest ones. It's going gangbusters, but there's a lot of work to be done. But I wouldn't do that work if I didn't believe in it. We create planet-conscious businesses for entrepreneurs who want to create something super meaningful in their lives. They're not learning technology or how to make bucks. That's part of the equation. Yeah, profits and prosperity, absolutely. But if we don't build it on something we love, we'll never stick in there in that 80, 90 some percent dropout rate, quit rate, and fail rate online. There's a reason for that. I have a free webinar if you haven't seen it. I explain exactly what happens there, and it's destined for failure if you go the route of chasing how to make money online. It won't make sense, it won't resonate, and it's not a company, it's not a business. It's just you selling stuff, right? It's like going into a store and selling, dresses and getting a commission on your own time, but you don't own the store and you don't own the dresses. That's great. That'd be like affiliate marketing, but that's not a business. So if you want a real business and you want to really hit some big numbers, you need to know exactly what you love and how to do it. And ironically, most of my students don't even know what they're passionate about. They've never had to make that decision. That's sad, but that's how we operate in the world. So I help you find it. I help you find the passion. What is it? And we translate it into multiple income streams. Not this. And then I'm going to do this every month and chase more money. We say, okay, we're going to do things that we love. We're going to get creative, if it's courses or coaching or products or creating products. Whatever it is, plus the affiliate marketing, very important part of the equation. You have to learn how to put that together, and that's a business strategy. And you'll learn how to be an online entrepreneur, one that can duplicate that formula for any number of businesses. I have multiple businesses online. And I want to teach you how to do this, but you have to start with making some wise decisions about what kind of an entrepreneur you are. Are you going to be a responsible one? Or are you going to keep in that on that treadmill, the one I was in? I was an investment banker. Whew. Ooh, good luck with that. I had to get out. I had to make a decision. Otherwise, I was never going to find that passion that I would like to help you find. So go after the passion. And if you're interested in my free webinar that'll explain how the equation works, and it's easy to fix, you just have to make a decision. So if you go to digitalexplorers, plural.net, or there may be a sign-up page here, you can find out exactly how to be successful and start to really love how you earn. Feel proud for leaving a legacy of positive change on the planet. Imagine your kids and grandkids, you actually tell them the business you have online, and you're not ashamed of what it is. In fact, they're going to be proud of you. That's the world I want to live in and create. You can join me. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't ever compromise your dreams. Take care.